Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to show or hide player name tags in Rust. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the options, and then we're going to select the user interface tab, and you're going to find the show name tags option. So if you want the name tags of players to be hidden, you just toggle this option off, and if you want them to be shown to you, you just toggle this option on. And once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and all of your choices will be saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.